What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another video. It's been a minute. We've been super busy out here. A lot of compressors, a lot of change outs, pretty much a lot of stuff going on. So what I got today is I got to change out this compressor out. I came here a couple days ago and found out that it was bad. Basically, you can hear on the inside internally it started grinding really bad. You could see that it started trying to pull itself into a vacuum after like 2 minutes of running. Like, it'll be running good and then start pulling down, and you can hear the bearings inside. But basically, I'm here to change it out. We're gonna go ahead and start on this thing. We're gonna change filter dryer, compressor, and we'll go from there. Rocking the new Vito MB4B. Dude, so far I love this thing, climbing up ladders and stuff. It's really nice. So we're gonna go ahead and sweat it off right here. Hopefully we have enough. Yep, we should. Make sure you don't smell that phosgene gas, guys. Stay alert. Remember, keep your head back. Don't stick your head in there, because you will smell that phosgene gas, and that phosgene gas is pretty much all that oil burning off on the residue from the refrigerant. This was a R22 system. Someone came, filled it up with 422B, so that's what we're gonna go back with. Make sure we turn that off. We're gonna go ahead and grab our drill. Right here should be a 1/2 inch. Yep, 1/2 inch studs in there. So we're gonna pop those out. Pretty simple. Boom. Remember, these pipes are still hot, so y'all be very careful. We're gonna go ahead and grab our rags. Oh, there we go. There we go. Make sure you don't drop it. Ooh. All right. So there's the old compressor. Now we're gonna go ahead and grab the other compressor, which is out there by the ladder. I've already pulled it up. So let's try to make this quick. Try to pull a good vacuum on this, because it is a computer room. So this is probably the most important unit in the store. So we're gonna try to do this, properly, correctly. So yeah, as you can see, there's our new compressor, vacuum pump. I still have my nitrogen tank down below. I still need to pull it up, but I had another job up here I had to do where I had to change a capacitor for a fan motor. So I had to do that quick before, you know, time runs out or whatever they want to call it. But we'll swap out this compressor today. All right, guys, so just had to walk from the ladder access all the way to the unit with the compressor. Make sure you guys get a dolly or something like that to move these around. It will help a lot. Have to pull that filter dry out, but should we pull it out now? Yeah, I think we probably should. That way. I like brazing the compressor in with that in though. Fuck it. Alright, let's see what we got. Where's my knife? Did I not grab my knife this morning? Really? Wow, okay. You know where I must have left it? Anne's house. Damn it. Well, lost my Milwaukee knife, I guess. That sucks. All right, guys. Let's see. New compressor. You got up next, you got to put these little rubber feet on it to keep the vibration down of the unit. Pretty simple. Some you can slide in like this. Actually, yeah, let's go like this. Or you can just put them in like this. Wow, these are pretty easy to put in. Normally you have to like twist and turn and do all kinds of crazy junk to get these in there. But I guess not these, which is nice. Yeah, those were the same way. Nice, okay. Boom. Alright. Let me see. I got all four here. There's a bunch of leaves and junk and stuff. Where'd my rubber feet go? Damn it. Right here. Alright guys, so got that bad boy back in there. Now we're going to pull these little pluggies. We know it has pressure, nitrogen, because we just heard that little puff of air. So that's good. We can go ahead and raise this sucker in. Right there. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're back. Well, for you it was a couple seconds, but for me it was a little slower than that. Had to find a power source to plug in my vacuum. If Hvac hears this, and they have a extra battery powered vacuum, you know, go ahead and send it my way. You know, it'd be nice of them, because I did buy that 7 CFM vacuum pump, but that battery one would be pretty nice. But basically, we got her pulling down on a vacuum. I am using my gauges to pull through. Why? Because it is a carrier and it has Hvac fittings on it, and you know how much those Hvac core remover tools cost, and I'm not about to buy an expensive tool like that, which is, I think it's like $700 or $800 now. But I got her vacuuming down, pulling through my hoses. I know. Also found a leak back there. As you can see, my brazing skills are phenomenal. Gotta braze that in right there. And when I pressure tested it, found a leak on there. So my guess is that was leaking.